This is the Schwerer Waffentrager Infanterie, a €22 million heavy weapon carrier that Germany gambled its entire forward defense strategy on. Yet it remains completely frozen in warehouses as of June 2026. While frontline mechanized units on NATO eastern flank are left dangerously exposed without rapid heavy firepower, this massive €2.7 billion joint defense project between Germany and Australia is legally locked in a bureaucratic cage. The mechanical hardware was fully completed and delivered to Germany in mid-2024, but 2 critical years have been entirely wasted on paper. By demanding absolute perfection through the integrated conformity confirmation procedure, German military planners have inadvertently rendered their most advanced wheeled armor completely useless for immediate deployment. The stakes could not be higher for the German army. Right now, their aging fleet of Weasel II light armored vehicles is utterly defenseless against modern airborne threats, leaving elite airborne troops critically exposed on the modern battlefield. The new BOXER configuration was supposed to provide an immediate iron shield, yet the official training for German crews has been pushed back to July 2026. Leading global defense analysts argue that Germany is sacrificing immediate combat readiness for long-term technical perfection. Why did a fully functional, combat-ready vehicle become completely paralyzed by its own software code at the exact moment Europe demands maximum speed? On paper, their only tactical salvation would be to bypass these domestic administrative hurdles, but the German procurement office refuses to yield. Before we go on, did Germany make the right call to delay this deployment for safety, or should they have sent these vehicles straight to the field? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and tell me where you are watching from. To understand this paralyzing delay, we must pull the Schwerer Waffentrager Infanterie into the digital laboratory and look at the clash between engineering perfection and military urgency. The root of the problem lies in a massive technical illusion. In May 2024, corporate media widely celebrated the arrival of the first Australian-built vehicle in Germany, but that machine was merely a preliminary proof of concept model. It was structurally incomplete. Global defense experts point out that the actual, full-scale production vehicle featuring the finalized industrial hardware and German battlefield management software did not land in Europe until the summer of 2025. Only then could the German procurement office begin its rigorous electromagnetic compatibility testing from zero. The heart of this 38-ton giant is the Advanced Lance 2 Block 2 turret, which operates a powerful Mauser MK302 ABM 30mm autocannon. However, when engineers integrated this turret into the heavily encrypted German command network, the digital system suffered severe electronic interference. Rather than rushing a flawed system into combat, German officials chose to push troop training all the way back to July 2026 to rewrite and verify every line of software code. Meanwhile, this crisis exposes a profound economic paradox. Germany is spending €22 million per vehicle under a €2.7 billion package, which includes €750 million strictly dedicated to a 5-year maintenance and training agreement. This massive influx of cash served as an essential economic lifeline for Australia, preserving 600 high-tech defense jobs at the Military Vehicle Centre of Excellence in Queensland, after Canberra downsized its own domestic land 400 Phase 3 program. Australia secured its industrial base, but Germany lost its most valuable resource, which is tactical time. Despite the frustrating delays, the German army refuses to abandon the Schwerer Waffentrager Infanterie because no other platform can fulfill its specific doctrinal role. This vehicle is the foundational pillar of the new Mittlere Kraft, or medium forces concept. Traditional tracked infantry fighting vehicles like the Puma are exceptionally heavy and require massive multi-axle tank transporters to move across long distances. The wheeled BOXER platform changes everything. Powered by a robust MTU 8V199TE21 engine, producing 720 horsepower, this vehicle easily achieves road speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour with an operational range of 1,000 kilometers. This allows entire motorized brigades to deploy rapidly from Germany across Poland to the Baltic states within 48 hours without relying on vulnerable rail lines or heavy transport infrastructure. The combat capabilities of this platform are explicitly designed to counter modern battlefield threats. The Lance 2 Block 2 turret utilizes advanced airburst munition technology through its Mauser MK302 ABM 30mm autocannon. This system programs each shell to detonate at a precise microsecond in mid-air, creating a dense wall of kinetic fragments that effectively neutralizes low-flying reconnaissance drones and entrenched infantry. For long-range engagements, the vehicle integrates a dual launcher for the MEL's anti-tank guided missile system, utilizing the latest Spike LR2 missiles. This allows the crew to engage heavily armored targets up to 5,500 meters away, using non-line-of-sight fiber optic guidance. Looking forward into the next 12 months, the strategic landscape will shift significantly. As official crew training finally commences in July 2026, the first 19 vehicles assembled in Germany will establish the operational baseline. Simultaneously, the Australian production line will scale up to deliver 25 vehicles per year. By early 2027, the initial heavy weapon carrier units will achieve initial operational capability, fundamentally restructuring the mobile defensive balance along the eastern flank of NATO. The 2-year delay of the Schwerer Waffentrager Infanterie exposes a fundamental dilemma in modern military strategy. It pits the doctrine of rapid battlefield pragmatism against the cultural demand for absolute technical perfection. On one hand, a highly advanced weapon system is completely useless if it remains trapped in European test centers while geopolitical threats actively escalate. On the other hand, rushing a 38-ton armored vehicle into a high-intensity conflict with flawed fire control software and unverified electronic systems could prove fatal for the crew. The ultimate lesson of this €2.7 billion joint project is that modern defense procurement can no longer operate at a peacetime pace. While German engineers spent 24 months fine-tuning the Lance 2 Block 2 turret to meet strict domestic administrative standards, the nature of industrial warfare shifted completely. Independent defense analysts warn that this heavily armored platform completely lacks integrated hard-kill active protection systems to counter the omnipresent threat of cheap first-person view loitering munitions. Germany is spending €22 million per vehicle for an engineering masterpiece that may require immediate combat modifications the moment it enters active service in July 2026. This leaves global military planners with a crucial question. In an era where battlefield threats mutate every 6 months, is it wiser to deploy a 70% perfect weapon system immediately to preserve tactical speed? Or should a nation wait years to ensure a 100% perfect machine? Which procurement philosophy is superior for the future of defense? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep defense analysis.